Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you love snagging the best deals and staying up to date with the latest tech trends, make sure to subscribe, like this video, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out. Today we're diving into the top 5 best Amazon Prime exclusive deals of 2024. These are huge discounts you absolutely can't miss. Let's get started. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the ILTIDE Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor, a reliable companion for all your tire inflation needs, now available at a hopping 72% discount. This portable air compressor is a must-have for every car owner, offering both convenience and peace of mind. Let's dive into why this product is a game-changer. The ILTIDE Tire Inflator is incredibly easy to use. It features a clear digital display that shows accurate pressure readings, making it simple to inflate your tires to the optimal level. This ensures your tires are always at the right pressure, which not only enhances your vehicle's performance but also improves fuel efficiency and safety. One of the standout features of this inflator is its portability. Its compact and lightweight design allows it to fit comfortably in your car's trunk or glove compartment, so you can always have it on hand. The built-in LED light is a fantastic addition, ensuring you can use the inflator even in low-light conditions, whether you're dealing with a flat tire at night or in a poorly lit garage. This versatile inflator comes with multiple nozzle attachments, making it suitable for a variety of uses. From car and bike tires to sports equipment and inflatable toys, the ILTIDE Tire Inflator has got you covered. With its powerful performance and user-friendly features, this air compressor is a fantastic deal at 72% off, offering significant value for money. Next on our list at number 4 is the Astercook 15-piece kitchen knife set with block, currently available at an incredible 75% discount. This professional-grade knife set is an essential addition to any kitchen, providing both functionality and style. The Astercook knife set includes a variety of knives, each crafted from high-carbon stainless steel for exceptional sharpness and durability. The set covers all your culinary needs, from slicing vegetables and dicing fruits to carving meats and chopping herbs. The precision of these knives ensures clean, effortless cuts every time, enhancing your cooking experience. The ergonomically designed handles provide a comfortable grip, reducing hand fatigue during prolonged use. This makes the knives not only effective but also easy to handle, allowing you to perform intricate tasks with ease and confidence. The elegant wooden block that comes with the set is both practical and aesthetically pleasing. It keeps your knives organized and within easy reach, while also adding a touch of sophistication to your kitchen countertop. With its blend of functionality, durability, and style, the Astercook 15-piece kitchen knife set is a fantastic investment for any home cook or professional chef. At number 3, we have the Operan water flossers for teeth cleaning, available at a massive 83% discount. This innovative dental hygiene device offers a more effective and convenient way to maintain oral health compared to traditional flossing methods. The Operan water flosser uses a powerful jet of water to remove plaque and food particles from between teeth and along the gum line. This method is particularly beneficial for those with braces, implants, or dental bridges, where traditional flossing can be challenging and time-consuming. This water flosser features multiple pressure settings, allowing you to customize the intensity to your comfort level. Whether you prefer a gentle cleanse or a more powerful jet, the Operan water flosser has got you covered. It also comes with a variety of nozzles, making it suitable for the entire family. The compact design and rechargeable battery make this flosser perfect for both home use and travel. Its portability ensures you can maintain your oral hygiene routine wherever you go, keeping your smile bright and healthy. With its impressive performance and user-friendly features, the Operan water flosser is a great deal at 83% off. Coming in at number 2 is the Cosy Companions hair dryer, now available at an incredible 89% discount. This salon-quality hair dryer combines powerful performance with advanced technology, making it a must-have for achieving perfect hair every day. The Cosy Companions hair dryer features a high-torque motor that delivers fast and efficient drying while minimizing heat damage. Its ionic technology helps reduce frizz and enhance shine, leaving your hair looking smooth, glossy, and healthy. The dryer also includes multiple heat and speed settings, allowing you to customize the airflow to your hair type and styling needs. One of the standout features of this hair dryer is its lightweight and ergonomic design, which makes it easy to handle and maneuver. Whether you're blow drying for volume, straightening, or creating beachy waves, the Cosy Companion's hair dryer provides the versatility and control you need for salon-quality results at home. The inclusion of a cool shot button allows you to set your style with a blast of cold air, ensuring your hair stays in place throughout the day. With its advanced features and impressive discount, the Cosy Companion's hair dryer is an unbeatable deal that promises to elevate your hair care routine. Finally, at number 1, we have the NTAYDZSW powerful handheld fabric steamer, available at an unbeatable 94% discount. This versatile and powerful steamer is perfect for keeping your clothes wrinkle-free and looking their best, whether at home or on the go. The NTAYDZSW fabric steamer heats up in just 30 seconds, providing continuous steam to quickly and effectively remove wrinkles from all types of fabrics. Its compact and lightweight design makes it easy to use and perfect for travel, ensuring you always look sharp, whether at home or on the go. This steamer is not just for clothes. It is also great for refreshing curtains, upholstery, and other household fabrics. The large water tank allows for extended steaming sessions, while the safety auto shoot-off feature ensures peace of mind during use. With its impressive performance and versatility, the NTAYDZSW powerful handheld fabric steamer is a must-have tool for anyone looking to simplify their laundry routine and keep their garments in top condition. And there you have it, the top 5 best Amazon Prime exclusive deals of 2024. These deals offer fantastic value for their price, delivering high-quality performance and functionality. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of our future tech reviews and guides. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.